Hello guys, welcome to Nftivity. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the $30 giveaway which I announced 2 weeks ago. जो मैंने $30 का giveaway announce किया था 2 हफ्ते पहले उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. So in this video, I told you all to go like and subscribe, join my Telegram and Discord so you can get a chance to win $10 each for 3 people and I will choose from the comment section. So as you can see, there are some comments here. To enter you have to just go here, like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, any nice comment or anything you would like, and join our Telegram and Discord so we can contact you. So here as you can see, currently we are at 84 subscribers, so we are very near. So I made this video to inform all the new users so they don't miss the opportunity. And one more thing guys, I am constantly observing our Telegram and Discord. So people are just trying their best to go, just click on the video, leave a comment and thinking that they will get the scholarship. I know who is trying their best to get in the scholarship, who are watching the video till the end, who are putting the efforts in the community and talk to people. So I will keep that in mind and I will bring more and more such scholarship and even play to earn opportunities, airdrops, and I will give some free stuff to lots of community member. So guys, please bring more and more people in this community. I want more diverse people from Philippines to Africa to India, from US, everywhere. So we can build a great community and we can build an ecosystem where I and more people can bring a lots of reward for our community as a reward pool. So this is my main focus for now. Thank you guys.